Hey everyone, it's me, Huntress Katasha. Just letting you know, I can't do recording today for the videos I'll do up normally for tomorrow. We have got like construction work going on in the unit next door, and my mic's been picking up like something mad, like it's been picking up louder than me. So I don't know if I'll be able to do any recording today. It depends on when they leave. If they leave, because it's Friday for me. Is it Friday? It's Friday. Is it Friday? Hang on. Yeah, it's Friday. So I can record all night, which is good. So hopefully when they leave, I'll be away because I am dog tired. They woke me up. I didn't get enough sleep. I will be able to... So the videos today will still go up at 11 and 4. Those were recorded yesterday. So that's all good. That's the joy of recording the day before and editing and rendering and uploading. You don't get your videos uploaded to like 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. at night, but they're up for the next day, which is fantastic. And I love doing all this. I mean, I've always enjoyed the editing and everything. It's so fun. And you realise how stupid you look in your videos. But yeah, I can't do recording at the present moment. What the hell is going on with my beanie? What is it doing? Is it like not centered on my head properly? Or do I just have a very off head? Or is it just my hair? Who the fuck knows? But I can't do recording at the moment. I might be able to do recording in the afternoon because it is just about hitting 9 a.m. So I might be able to do recording in the afternoon, depending on when they leave. I have a Coke Zero vanilla bottle behind me. Hi. Did not realise you could see down there. You can see the floor. That's what I get for putting this on my mic. There we go. But mic stands are very good at holding your phone. I've noticed this when you don't want to hold your phone yourself. But yes, no recording at the moment. Maybe recording in the afternoon. Hopefully get videos uploaded and scheduled for tomorrow at the usual 11 and 4. If that fails to happen, which I have a feeling it will, I can't do anything about it. It just depends on when I'm able to record, to edit, and to render, to upload. I'm hoping I can get it done. I'm praying to a loon that I can get it done. Because, as I said, I love uploading. I love doing these Let's Plays. I love gaming. I mean, am I a geek? I can't tell. Am I... a manga anime fan? I can't tell. Hey, look, it's my Naruto stuff. I couldn't find that when I was talking about Naruto the other day. Found it now. But, hey, look, you can see Gargantuan now. But, yes. I'm probably gonna go back to bed. Because I got shit all sleep. That's annoying. Because I wasn't meant to get up I got up at 7. I don't normally wake myself up till about 9, which is in 5 fucking minutes from now. It's 4, then 3, 2, 1. 4 minutes from now. I woke up 2 hours early, which means I got shit sleep. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm blabbering on like an idiot. I will try and get recordings done today for tomorrow. I'm hoping. I was going to stream today, but that is just, I am over recording. But that is incredibly loud, and that would impact the quality of recordings and streams. As I said, my mic is picking it up. I was talking at the same time, making sure it was working. It was making my mic pick up the construction louder than me. And I'm right here. Like, see, mic's right here. So, it's all fucked up. I'm going to go. I'm going to shut up. I'm going to shut up and then go. Yeah. Oh well. Thank you all so much for watching. There isn't really much adventure to have been had apart from me rambling on like an idiot. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I shall see you guys in the next video or stream. I'm sorry for no recordings, for no videos for tomorrow unless something goes right. Keep an update on my Twitter. I will post in that. Bye.